Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Plug the phone in if the battery is very low, because a drained battery mimics a freeze. Next, find the power and volume down buttons. On some models, a Bixby key replaces power, and remove any case that blocks them. Once done, press and hold the correct hardware keys together for about 10-20 seconds so the device can force a reboot. This triggers the hardware reset that clears temporary firmware stalls. If the simple force restart didn't work, move to the next step. Boot to recovery mode by holding power plus volume up. On some models, add Bixby. You'll see a text menu. Use volume keys to move and power to confirm. First, choose Reboot System Now, because that preserves your data. If the phone keeps looping or is sluggish after reboot, select Wipe Cache Partition. This clears temporary files without deleting personal data, which often fixes persistent freeze. Once the phone restarts, verify core features. Make a call, open Wi-Fi, and launch the camera to confirm responsiveness. If the device still exhibits freezes or boot loops, back up your data immediately and perform a factory reset from recovery mode. Note, this erases personal data, so use it as a last resort. If problems continue after a reset, the fault may be hardware. In that case, contact an authorized service center or Samsung support to check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.